Hi, I'm Ricky. So today I want to share Guru Vandana to you. First movement, left hands, right hands, like this. Then we open our arms to the sky, to our God, to our Guru. Then second movement, like this. And when we back, right hands, use your first and fourth finger, like this. But left hands, only do this, enough. Turn around and put them back in front of your chest. Let's do it again. Open. We get a little small walking in the front. Then turn and back. So, second part. Left hands like this. Right hands, we paint a circle and back, then left hands same. But when we do till here, then we put them together and come back, take a bow to our God, our Guru. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But we have to take a walking like this, and put them together and put them back, and we take a bow. So we do it again from the beginning. Walking and back and hold this position. Then turn around and turn around. Put your hands, both hands, back and take a bow. So next part, heart like this. Open our left legs like this and back and cross. Do movement like this and see down. Okay. Then we open both hands very small, very small. Don't use this. Yeah, small one, like this. Back. Okay. Then our body like this. Up and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. But we have to work. Free step, free step. Slow, slow. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then next movement, we open our arms again. We open our arms again and take a bow. Okay. Then we use our both hands. Right hands up, left hands down. Here to put something back like this. Use your right legs and left legs like this. Let's do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And small walking and take a bow and put it back and yeah, like this, but don't use this big one. Then we come back. Next movement, we turn and open our arms again. and close and turn around back. And with both hands use the first and fourth finger like this. So when we back, we use them. Pull your right hands up. So left hands stay in front of your chest like this. Let's do it again. Walk in, close, and pull your right hands up. Okay. Then next part, in front of your chest, we open our arms like this. You can do some small walking. Okay. You can use your, if you, as you wish. You want to here? Okay, no problem. You want to here? Okay, no problem. So open your arms, then pull them back and take a bow to your guru. Okay. Next movement like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your right hands like this. Small and graceful. So when you do the left one, small walking, don't do too much. Then do this and back and take a bow to your guru. Then last part movement, our left hands in front of your chest like this. Your right hands first and second. Pull the flower. Pull the flower. Let's do it again. Pull the flower. And over all the flower to your guru. Without music, we do it again slowly and slowly. In the beginning, we do this position and open arms and down slowly and put them in front of your chest. We turn around. See this universe and put your both hands back and take a bow. Then next movement like this. And next. And next. And return to back. And then together. And put them up. And open both hands. And take a bow. And do this movement. And take a bow. And pull the flower. Put the flower. And offer them to your guru. So now, let's do it with music. Let's go.
Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
This is Guru Vandana. Hope that you all enjoyed. It's easy, not very difficult. So next time I will share other Kathak, maybe technique, maybe something, I don't know. I'm Ricky. Stay home and stay safe. We see you next time. Bye bye.